let's connect our MetaMask to the Shiba Swap. Let's do it together, just me and you, step by step. My name is Adam Shelton. Let's go ahead and do this. Go to shibaswap.com and I'll meet you there. shibaswap.com. When you get there, you come right to this page here, and make sure you come to a page that looks like this, matter of fact. Then you go to the top right and you look for connected with MetaMask. I'm going to change it and let you see what it looks like. Click right here that says MetaMask. There we go. So we're connected with the MetaMask. Now, make sure you have MetaMask already up on your computer. Make sure you use Google Chrome. Google Chrome. You can use your mobile device, but I suggest you use your desktop or laptop. It's just a little bit easier at this particular time. So I'm at the MetaMask right now, and this is where it should look like. If you don't have a MetaMask account, you can create a free account. It's really simple and really easy to do. You can create an account and it will look like this. Create an account and you go ahead and create that. Actually, let's create another account inside MetaMask. Don't want to confuse you. So go to metamask.com or download the Google extension. You can go ahead and do that. Now, the next thing we want to go ahead and do, we want to add the assets. We've got Leash already there right now. Let me go. Someone is calling me. Go ahead and do that. We got Leash right now, and I'll show you how to add this. You go to add token, but here's a little trick that I learned. I'm trying to add Bone. This is CoinGecko right here. This is CoinGecko. And so what I'm going to do, I am going to add Bone on CoinGecko. So let me refresh this. Okay, here is the contract. All I have to do is click on add to MetaMask. Look at this. You see that? Something's happening right now. It's adding in Bone. It says add token. And if I go to the MetaMask, I didn't even have to do that. Look at this. Bone is added. We had trouble loading your tokens balance. What I'm going to do is just refresh this. I'm trying to go really slow for the people who's brand new to MetaMask. It is basically a way you can hold your Shiba Inu and your Leash and also your Bone inside your MetaMask. You also could do it on your mobile phone, but I'm going to do it through the desktop version on this training here. Now, we just added in our Bone. Now we need to add Shiba. We need to add Shiba. Now, I can do this from CoinGecko.com or I can do this right from CoinMarketCap. Look for the contracts Ethereum area, just like I did with the Bone. The Bone, look at this. Contract Ethereum. Now, I could copy this and paste it, but it's so much easier just to click on add to MetaMask. Just like on this one, add to MetaMask, something's happening. Something's happening. Anyway, okay, so add token. There we go. And we go to add token. And look at this. We got our Shiba, our Leash, and our Bone. Leash works exactly the same. I added that earlier, but Leash works exactly the same. You go to CoinMarketCap and you just type in Leash, Doge Killer, and it's the same exact formality. Add to MetaMask. I've already added it, so I don't have to do it again. And then I just go back to MetaMask and make sure it's added. So that's really it. One more thing I want to show you in terms of connecting Shiba Swap and MetaMask, make sure you connect it. So right here, if you go, let me move this. You go to connected sites, make sure this says shibaswap.com. Make sure you are connected. If it doesn't say that, then you're not really connected. So make sure your account is Shiba Swap. All you have to do is go right here. Okay, the account details right here is where you can scan your information. So if you're trying to scan this to go to somewhere else, I don't think you need to use this with the Shiba Swap, but this is where all your information is in terms if you want things to be received or actually, this is actually your address. I'm sorry, this is your address. So this is where you need to have, if you're having something to be sent to you, you need to have this address. So basically, if we're trying to send some Shiba Swap from crypto.com to here, we need to take this address. So you do need this. I apologize. You do need to have this. You do need to have this. This is the address that goes right to your MetaMask. So you definitely need to have this. You can scan it or you can actually copy and paste it. So this is important. That's what that account number is. So that's important to have. The view on Ethernet scan is all your activities that you've done and activity that's been happening with the Ethernet scan. So that's all that is. Activities, basically just activities that's been happening. Not just your activities, but just activities, period. So another area that I want you to find, I want you to look here. You can actually add in another account if you need to. I've got account 1 and account 2. Nothing's in account 2. I probably should just go ahead and disable that. But account 1 is where I have Ethereum and I have all my Shiba, Bone, and Leash. I have that. And I have a couple other things. And I also have Ethereum. Definitely make sure you have Ethereum. We'll get to that in a few minutes. And I just want to show you the tour there. Okay. And also, this is also very handy if you're trying to connect to your hard wire. So basically, if you have some assets on your Ledger or on your Trezor account, you click on Ledger and you follow the prompts. I have a Ledger Nano X somewhere around here. I do have one. It's probably in the back. But I have a Ledger. So basically, if I was trying to move my stuff from my Ledger Nano X, I plug this in and I can move it over to my MetaMask. I can do that. The same thing for with the Trezor. Trezor. Trezor? Is it Trezor? I do not have a Trezor, but I have a Ledger Nano X. So you just plug that in, follow the prompts. I really like this because some people may have their Ethereum or another asset that's on one of these here, and you can just plug it in, get to your MetaMask, good to go. Now, one thing I want to show you is also the buying Ethereum. You can buy Ethereum on your MetaMask by clicking on buy and buy ETH with this. Continue there. You're going to need that mainly because when you're doing transactions within your digging process, your burying process, or even when you're swapping it, or even wolfing, because you got to add deposits in there, you need to have Ethereum. It's good to have Ethereum. So all you have to do is go here. If I'm going to do $100, it'd be $106 with the fees here. I authorize. Next, I can use my card number or Apple Pay. And here is my ETH address. So it's very, very simple to do. I do like MetaMask. I'm a Coinbase wallet person when it comes to the Shiba Swap and the connectivity. But I do like MetaMask. I connected this. So basically, I'll be using this as well. And if I go back here, it's connected with MetaMask. So that is all connected together. This is how you buy Ethereum. And that way, Ethereum will be loaded up and it'll be right here. This is $9.43. I do have that connected here. So that's all done. This is if I'm trying to send, if I'm trying to swap something together. You can swap within the MetaMask platform. You can swap it. So if I go here, say I want to swap it for this, or I want to swap it for Shiba, I can. Technically, I could swap Ethereum to Shiba. I could swap this within the MetaMask, or I can just go ahead and swap it within. I prefer to swap it right in your Shiba Swap. That's what it's designed to do. That's a big part of this, where you can swap your assets together, get some Bone, get some Leash, get some Shiba, or even get some Ethereum. So absolutely, I'm trying to think of anything else I want to show you with this. The settings here, the settings is good. The settings is good here. Just make sure all this is just self-explanatory. The only thing I would be watching out for would be the networks and your Ethereum mainnet and your general is together. Make sure your currency is together. Make sure your ETH is there and the correct English. So MetaMask and Shiba Swap is together. So basically now I can go ahead and start using this. So right now I can start using Ethereum. So if I'm trying to swap Ethereum inside here, and if I go, see that price here? Price here matches this here. So basically it's plugging right through my MetaMask, because look at this. If I zoom in here, that's the balance of Ethereum. This is the balance of Ethereum. And then this is the balance of the MetaMask. So basically what's happening is it's feeding right from it. So I can go ahead and literally make a transaction right in here. So if I did, I'm gonna go ahead and do, let me do Leash Shiba. Let me see, I do Shiba. So if I can do Shiba, okay, so I probably have to add some more Ethereum. I'm gonna add some more Ethereum. At Ethereum. Oh, Elon. That's funny. But anyway, but yeah, I can swap this and this goes right through there. It's good to go. I could do it Elon. I won't do this because I would prefer the Ethereum Shiba. I have to add some more Ethereum to go ahead and make this transaction to make the MetaMask work, but I won't do this. I'm just showing you an example of what we could do. I would do this right here. This is what I would do. Ethereum to Shiba, and then it'll go right to your MetaMask. You should be good to go. So that's basically about it. You can keep track of your stats right in your MetaMask of your leash, your bone, and SHIB. All this stuff will be updated as you move in farther to the Shiba swap process. And that's all it is. We did it. We did it. If you have any questions, put it in the comment line. I'll probably do another video just to explain a little bit more in deep if you need that. We'll go even slower if we have to. And I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click on the links below. Get some Shiba swap. If you want to get it, get some Shiba or leash or bone. I've got some links in the description. Go ahead and take advantage of that. And I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget that. And hit that bell notification. You don't want to miss any of these type of tutorials, the Shiba Sharp tutorials, or anything like that. I'll be back probably tomorrow. I'll see you later.